Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present about our programming project, and the title is about 4-band resistor color code. My name is Muhammad Ashafi bin Ahmad Tarib, and my others group members name is Aiman Zulhaikal bin Zulkifli, Faris Daniel bin Zulkifli, Mio Muhammad Qayyum bin Mio Maya, and lastly is Muhammad Arifuddin bin Ishaq. Okay, for the introduction is the color code used on the resistor in carbon film and metal film type is widely used and must learn for electronic engineering. In the 4-band resistor color code, the first 3 bands indicate the value in ohms. The first two of these bands indicate two numbers and the third often called the multiplier band indicates the number of zeros. Besides that, the color code is developed using C++ programming language, and the variable such as selection, repetition, function string has been used for its development of it. In order to run the project, it must have installed dev C++ or code block on the PC. The objective for this project is to help the user calculate a resistor value easily. Secondly, to learn about how C++ programming can solve the problem. And lastly, to determine the started value at a resistor by interpreting the color code indicated on the resistor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Zulhaikam Physically. My matrix number is CN210092. Now I would like to present the methodology for this project. The methodology for this project, this analysis is made for users to understand about resistors color code. This analysis also shows how will the program works. The physical size of the resistor indicates its wattage rating, while resistor color code use colored bands to instantly identify a resistor's resistive value and its percentage of tolerance. The problem statement of the project, the color code used on resistors in carbon film and metal film types are widely used and a must-learn for electronics engineers. The tables on this page illustrate three common forms for 4-band resistors. In the 4-band resistor color code, the first three bands closest together indicates the value in ohms. The chart shows how to determine the resistance and tolerance for resistors. The table can also be used to specify the color code of the bands when the values are known. An automatic resistor color can be used to quickly find the resistor values.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Faris Daniel bin Zulkifli. My metric card is CN220015, and I will present for code program. So first, we see I have used the libraries at iOS string, CMAT, iManic. So first, I create the void chart for the menu in front for the main output command. So we have here the program to calculate the value of resistor, and it has to choose three options, that is show color code, calculate the resistor value, and exit. So the second part is for void color code, that is the table that will show the color code for resistor for each band. So for the first color code, it will be for 3 band, the first band, second band, and third band. So in the code, it will show which one, the color, and we must press the number following the color. So if black, we put it 0. So for the void register is for the memory, for array, to keep the memory. So I already put the color code and last band and the tolerance. So each of the string, it has a different kind of place to choose. Let's see, has for color code, it has only from the black until white, but the last band, it has black until silver. So it had more. I put it for gold and silver, and several color that the color code and the band, last band, it doesn't have in the color code. So for the tolerance, and for the calculation, for the different for the last band, and down there it has the INT band. So it has 2 INT band from 0 to 9 to choose. If we choose one, and then in the color code it will be brown, and band 2, if we choose the 3, it will be yellow. So, and the multiplier is for the last band. So for the multiplier, it has from the undefined number and until power of 2. And we have the float total for the tolerance. If we choose the string band tolerance is brown, and it will be 1. For the third slide, I am presenting. So it will show the tolerance and void alert if we put it above number 3 for the option, and 1, 2, 3. So above number 4, it will be warning. And we have a INT main, and for the last for last coding in the program. So there is the main for the void. So if we choose one, so it will go to down in the while for the color code. If we choose 2, then it will be the calculation, not calculation, but they choose for the color code to key in the program. So, and at the end, it will be alert and exit. So it will I have put while in the INT main for the repetition function. So it will be repeat looping, unlimited looping, until we press 3 for exit. So that's all for my present. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arifuddin bin Ishaq. Today I will explain about the structure chart of this project and also the flow chart of the program. Okay, first we start the structure chart with what is the resistor color code. Okay, next is how to calculate the resistance value based on the resistor code. Okay, the third one is make a program using C++ coding. Okay, and the last one, the program will print out the resistor color code and also the resistance value. Alright, in this slide I will explain the flowchart of the program that we make. Okay, first is start. Next is the enter menu number. which is user will input the number of 1, 2, 3 to the next step. Okay, if the user put menu number 1, the program will show the color code of the resistor. If the user insert the value of 2, the program will move to the insert color code, and then the program will calculate the resistor value. Next, it will show the value of resistor. After show the value of resistor, the program will be end. Okay, if the user insert the value input is 3, the program will be go to end. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
So, for the conclusion, the coding for this project was a success because the program runs perfectly without any errors taken. The coding for the register color code has been constructed properly before running the program. In order to get the result that we must achieve, the input has been set to our desired output. That outcomes of the output is according to what we have expected. The coding that we build is the same as we construct the code and the flowchart. Overall, this project is a success for making program for register color code value.